Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today video is about Assamese fish thali. You can say it massor thenga. The leaf I have shown you is polygonum. In Assamese we call modhufeleng. Let's cook massor thenga. The green veggie you see is known as polygonum. First we need to finely chop the leaf. Then we need to fry the fish. After frying the fish, fry the onion in a hot oil till the onion become brown. Then also we need to fry the leaves. Assamese people do not eat masala and all. Only turmeric and salt must needed. Massor thenga does not need much ingredient. Polygonum and onion must be slow cooked. After they have been cooked, after polygonum has been cooked well, put the fish on it and pour some warm water. Not much water also needed in the massor thenga. But the water must be warm, hot. We Assamese people have many rich food, but we does not eat masala. I have given only one chili because I cannot eat much spicy. After that you covered for 5 minutes and the massor thenga boil like this. Within 20 minutes our massor thenga jol is ready. Fish with polygonum. It is known as modhufeleng or massor jol. Now our platter is ready. Okay, bye. Please do subscribe my channel.